In this video, we are going to learn how you can rotate a video on iPhone. This works on all iPhones, okay? Now, you just want to select the video that you want to rotate. I am going to select, for example, this video, as you can see. Now, how you can rotate this video? Very quick and simple, guys. All you have to do, you want to click on Edit in the top right. And a few different options will come up here. Now, as you can see, if you look at the very bottom, you can see here this icon. I don't know how I can name it. So click on it. I am going to tell you, you are going to see in the screen right now. Click on it at the very bottom right. And if you look in the top, okay, click on this in the top left. And you will be able to rotate your video as you want. If you want to flip it, click this one in the top left. So I hope, guys, this video, click on done. That's exactly how you can rotate a video on iPhone. If this video helped you, drop a like. You can do the same steps on photo. Let me show you. Yeah, this picture looks really good this way. So drop a like on this video and see you guys in the next video.